Hi, home cooks. Today I'm in the kitchen making a Waldorf chicken salad sandwich filling.
These chicken salad croissant sandwiches are creamy, fresh, with the perfect amount of sweetness.
This recipe is packed with tender chicken, crisp apples, walnuts, and celery. It's flavorful, refreshing, and perfect served on croissants, sandwich bread, or even to top your salad.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a Waldorf chicken salad sandwich filling.
I'm going to start this recipe with the creamy dressing.
And feel free to customize this salad. The original Waldorf salad was made with a mayonnaise-based dressing, but I'm going to be using Greek yogurt. Or you could even do half mayonnaise and half yogurt.
In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of either Greek yogurt or mayonnaise, or a combination of the two. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then I'm just going to whisk this simple dressing together.
You can put in nuts or seeds. I'm going to be using pumpkin seeds to put into my salad. And for the fresh ingredients, I'm going to be chopping them relatively small, except for the grapes, which I'm going to cut in half.
And now to the bowl, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped celery, a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, 1 chopped apple, and for my crunchy element, I'm using pumpkin seeds, but you could also use a cup of chopped walnuts here. Then I'm going to toss all these ingredients in the dressing. Next, I have 2 cooked chicken breasts that I've already cooled and shredded. I'm going to add that in along with about 1½ cups of sliced grapes. I like the color of the purple grapes in this salad, but of course green grapes would work just as well. I'm going to gently stir everything together, and then my salad filling is ready to cover and store in the fridge. I'm going to be serving mine on sliced bakery fresh croissants, but you can use yours on your favorite sandwich bread or even to top a salad. This sandwich filling is creamy, crunchy, and full of fresh ingredients. It's great for lunch, meal preps, or picnics. And feel free to make this recipe your own. You can switch out the pumpkin seeds with pecans, walnuts, almonds, or sunflower seeds. If you don't have any dried cranberries, raisins, or any other dried fruit would work great in this recipe. And if I don't have any apples on hand, I like to add in some chopped pears or even sliced cucumber.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.